In this video, we will be studying about time period formula of all the chapters in physics of class 11 and class 12, which include SHM, gravitation, fluid mechanics, and other small important thing about that. So first look at the important points for time period of SHM. A is equal to minus omega square x. Omega is equal to under root k by m, where m is the inertial factor and k is the spring factor. F is equal to kx and F is also equal to mg. This is force, this is displacement. Now talking about the time period. Time period is equal to 2 pi upon omega, which is common to every chapter, and then 2 time period is equal to 2 pi upon m by k. This is for the SHM, or we can call this is for the block system. Now the another formula is 2 pi under root L by G effective. Now time period for second pendulum, that is called second pendulum, is 2 seconds, and this is constant, you can't change it. Now some formula for omega which will be helpful here. Omega is equal to under root mgl upon I. This I is moment of inertia. Omega is equal to under root c by I. We will talk about this will be helpful in torsional pendulum. And omega is equal to under root k by m, which I have put in here also. Talking more about the formula, time period is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. This is for simple pendulum. And time period for compound pendulum is equal to 2 pi under root I upon mgl. This is for compound pendulum, and here I is moment of inertia. Now talking more about the formulas, T is equal to 2 pi under root sigma h upon rho g. ये जो है वो हमारे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में आता है. जो सिग्मा है वो डेंसिटी है लिक्विड का, एंड जो रो है वो डेंसिटी है बॉडी का. T is equal to 2 pi under root mu by k. Here mu is reduced mass. Talking more about reduced mass, when one body, suppose take it m1, connected with a spring to another body of mass m2, then mu is equal to m1 into m2 upon m1 plus m2. Time period of U-tube for is 2 pi under root h by g. What is this height? For example, this is U-tube and we have to take height from the bottom up to the liquid. T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G when a body, for example a cylinder, is submerged in a liquid up to height L. Then this is T upon 2 pi. T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. When a body which is kept in a spherical ball and body is of radius r, small r, and the ball is of radius capital R, then T is equal to 2 pi under root capital R minus small r upon G. T is equal to 2 pi under root R upon G when the body is passing through tunnel from the earth. It's earth tunnel, and here tunnel does not means it will pass only from the center. It might be passed from one side. It's not a big deal. Then T is equal to 2 pi under root C upon under root I upon C. This is for torsional pendulum. Now the last formula of time period will be for a piston fitted cylinder. For example, this is cylinder, or we can say any rectangular plate, and this is piston. Piston is of mass m and area A. Here the height we will take it h and pressure will be P. Then T is equal to 2 pi under root mh upon P into A. So that's it. This is enough. All these formula are from different chapter and will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.